Hello everyone, Dr. Jenna Edlund here, Lake Erie Discovery Center's behavioral specialist. The Parenting Tip Tuesday topic for the month of May is feeding interventions. Most parents have experienced feeding problems with their children before. In fact, research shows that 25% of all children have feeding problems. After ruling out that your child's challenges with food aren't due to any medical causes, try out some of these behavioral strategies to improve the range of food your child may eat. The first step in behavioral interventions focused on eating behavior is to determine the reason behind your child's food selectivity. In other words, what is driving their pickiness or reluctance to eat? Here are 3 common underlying reasons. Number 1, gain attention. A less common reason may be that your child likes the attention they receive when they need help eating their food, or the attention they receive when they are picky about their food. Number 2, gain access to preferred foods. The child may engage in challenging behaviors around meals as a way to avoid a non-preferred food and eventually get access to a more preferred food item. Oftentimes, parents worry their child will go hungry and may eventually give the child a more preferred food so they eat something. And number 3, escape or avoid unpleasant sensory stimuli. Non-preferred foods may be non-preferred for a variety of sensory reasons due to taste, smell, texture, temperature, appearance, etc. They may be trying to avoid the unpleasant experience that the non-preferred food item causes. Before beginning any intervention, an important first step is to make sure you're setting the stage for appropriate eating environments. Refer to the parent handout to find out how the eating environment influences their behavior. Next, let's walk through recommended strategies for each of the 3 possible causes for feeding challenges you're facing. Pairing positive reinforcement with trying new foods is a helpful tool if it is believed that the suspected function of the picky eating is to gain attention. Try shifting large amounts of attention to the positive eating behavior with one of the reinforcement strategies included in the parent handout. If the function of the picky eating is due to escape or to gain access to preferred items, try to re-offer the non-preferred food item again at a later time. Don't ever force a child to eat. However, you can represent the same non-preferred food at the next snack time or if the child says they are hungry. And last, if the suspected reason of the behavior is due to escape or avoidance due to the sensory or taste issues, it can be helpful to use the successive approximation method to help expose them to the foods in a slow, comfortable manner for them. Start at the level they're most comfortable at with food and move to the next step when they appear comfortable with the previous step. Maybe you start by having the food item on their plate next to their other food. Then you work up to touching the food item, smelling the food, and eventually licking or biting the food. See the caption below to access more information on this topic, including our supplemental parent handout. Thanks for listening, and we will see you next time.